You've just found yourself that powerful treatment that will grow your hair to the waist length. To make this particular treatment, all you need is just 2 ingredients and your hair will never stop growing again. Not just that, this treatment will take care of all your hair problems in one go, ranging from dandruff, dried flaky scalp, itchy scalp, seborrheic dermatitis, impetigo, stunted growth, down to hair shedding. And here are the ingredients that I'll be making use of. We all love orange for their sweet flavor, but then we don't realize how beneficial the orange peels can be. Turns out orange peels are filled with natural ingredients that are beneficial to our hair. It helps to get rid of dandruff and moisturize our scalp. So if you've been struggling with dandruff, flaky or itchy scalp, orange peel should be your go-to as it is very rich in antioxidants. It has vitamin C that escalates hair growth by reducing hair fall. It is rich in magnesium, fibers, beta-carotene, flavonoid, in which they all work together to make your hair longer, thick and textured. Moving on to the second ingredient, where I'll be making use of cloves. You already know that we don't joke with cloves on this channel, and that's because it has a lot of goodies that are beneficial to our natural hair. So what clove does is to promote healthy scalp by opening up the pores on the scalp and get rid of toxins that might hinder your hair from growing. It has vitamin K that helps with better blood circulations on the scalp, which in turn stimulates hair growth. Clove is really good and it is full of bounty hair care nutrients. I'll go ahead and add all the peels from one medium-sized orange into my empty clean sterilized jar. After that, go ahead and add 3 spoons of cloves into the jar. Add hot water, cover it up and leave it overnight. And that's about 12 to 14 hours of infusion before straining. This is what it looks like after overnight infusion. And as you guys can see, it is looking so different and the water has darkened in color, which basically means that it is well infused. So let's go ahead and strain it out. Take a look at the orange peel. The color has changed, and as for the clove, it is looking faded and soggy, and that's because I've been able to extract all the nutrients into my treatment. Alright, so make sure you infuse yours properly as well, so as to be able to get the exact result. So I'll go ahead and transfer into my spraying bottle, then show you guys how to apply it to your hair. Protective vest hair on as usual. So basically it's my hair wash day and I have my protective vest hair on and I'm not ready to take it down yet, which means you must not be on protective vest hair before you can apply this. So far it's your hair wash day. With that being said, I'll go ahead and spray this treatment generously to my scalp and my hair. One thing that you should know, I'll be spraying this treatment as pre-poo before washing my hair. And just in case you're wondering if it is possible to wash your hair even with your protective vest on, the answer is yes, it is very possible. So yeah, I'll be washing my hair with my protective vest on. Alright, so yeah, as soon as I'm done applying this treatment, I'll leave it for about 30 to 35 minutes before washing it out with shampoo, followed by my hair conditioner. Another thing you need to know about this treatment is that you cannot use it as a leave-in. You have to wash it out. Leaving it in your hair will dry out your hair and it can lead to hair breakage. So yeah, for better effectiveness of this treatment, I'll advise you use it as pre-poo. And as soon as you're done washing your hair with shampoo and conditioner, then go ahead and moisturize your hair. That's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video and you find this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a huge fat fake thumbs up. Drop your comment in the comment section below. Smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.